Hi, I'm Carrie Karch with Coldwell Banker Distinctive Properties. Welcome to my new listing at Summit Sky Ranch. I've lived at Summit Sky Ranch for 4 years. I'd be happy to tell you everything that it has to offer. When you buy at Summit Sky Ranch, you're buying more than just a home. You're buying a lifestyle. At Summit Sky Ranch, there's plenty to do. There's hiking trails right out your door. The Aspen House where people gather, make dinner, go swimming, sit in the hot tub, work out, or do yoga. We also have a spot down by the Blue River. You can go fly fishing down there, hang out by the water, have a picnic, or just enjoy doing a little yoga on the deck.